Okay, in section 2 of module 1, we talked about the relationship between firm strategy, firm performance, and competitive advantage. And we introduced the idea of strategic fit. Strategic fit is this notion that the firm's strategy has to link its internal environment, its resources and capabilities, its systems, its structures, its values, its goals, with the demands of the firm's external environment, its customers, its suppliers, its competitors. And the better that the firm is at having a strategy that links this internal environment with the external environment, the more likely it is that the strategy will lead to some sort of competitive advantage. Right? And that's the goal of strategy, is to generate some sort of competitive advantage for the firm. Um, but strategy has to be more than just an idea, right? We just, going global is not a strategy. Strategy is about being different, especially this idea that Michael Porter introduces, right? It's not just about being more efficient. It's about being different. And finally, something that we'll come back to later on, I believe in modules 4 and 5, is this idea of the relationship between value and strategy. And value can be described as revenues minus costs, but in strategy, we often talk about it as the customer's willingness to pay, the revenues the firm brings in, the customer's willingness to pay, minus the total cost the firm has to incur to generate the product or service for the customer. And value then becomes a focus on whether or not, or increasing value for a firm really becomes a focus on whether or not the firm can increase the customer's willingness to pay or decrease its costs. And it does this by being different than other firms. It's business strategy, and we'll discuss this as I mentioned in modules 4 and 5.